Hello everyone, welcome to Tamil Nadu Management Quota Registration Guide. Okay, so we'll get started with the registration. Before that, I want to tell you about the Tamil Nadu Management Quota, what seats come under it. Okay, so Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counseling, what seats come under is self-financing seats, self-financing colleges, also known as private colleges. Okay. So self-financing colleges, private colleges, a set of seats come under the management quota. Okay. So this fee structure is slightly on the higher side. It will be around 13 lakhs to 16 lakhs. This is the fee structure. There will also be some hidden fees involved in Tamil Nadu that you can check with few institutes are collecting this hidden fees that you can check directly with the institute on how much the fees will be. Okay. So self-financing colleges comes under it, and also this includes CMC seats. So 50% of CMC seats also come under Tamil Nadu Management Quota Counseling. Under this, there are three types. So CMC 50%, there is Christian minority seats, there is CMC staff seats, and also seats of all India basis, CMC all India seats, right? These are the set of seats that come under TN Management Quota Counseling. All right. Okay. So let's move on. So this is the registration demo. So we will also be doing an info guide separately for management quota, where we will go into detail about the seats, eligibility, the process, etc. Now we'll start with the application form. Okay. So this process is called the application form filling. Okay. So in Tamil Nadu, there is also a different process called registration, where you will have to register for the round-wise counseling. So round 1 you will have to register, round 2 you will have to register, so on. Okay. So that is called the round registration. This is called the application. So in Tamil Nadu, the application happens only once. The application happens separately for government quota counseling and management quota counseling. All right. But in management quota counseling and government quota counseling, the choice filling happens together. So round 1 choice filling will happen together, but the application is separate. So we are looking at the management quota application. This is from 31st to 8th is the registration timeline, and here you can see that there is a click here for new registration button. You can click on this button to start the application process, and here you fill the personal information, fill the name, parent or guardian's name, place of birth, date of birth, gender, nationality, nativity, religion, community, caste certificate. Okay, so we'll go through this one by one. So first is the date of birth. You'll have to fill it. Fill your gender. Nationality, there are three types: Indian, OCI and others. So if you are Indian national, then you can click this. OCIs are also eligible for the seats here. And let's say you click on Indian, and then you click on Tamil Nadu nativity, then you will have to fill out the caste. Okay. And depending on the religion that you select, there will be seats available for you because of the Christian minority network. And next we'll go to the place of birth. So place of birth, wherever you're born, you can give this. This is not, there is no impact on this because management quota seats are open for everybody. And next we will click on Indian, the Tamil Nadu nativity, and here you will have to fill out the community and caste. Okay. So since candidate is native of Tamil Nadu, caste and community has to be filled. And if you're a candidate who is OCA PAO candidate, then what here the OC and the caste is won't be able to select. Okay, so you won't be able to make any changes to the community and caste here. Next, if a candidate selects other nationality, that means the candidate is from someone who is from other country, and you select others, here also you won't be able to select any information. So your Aadhaar card has to be filled. And if you're a Tamil Nadu native, you have to fill your community and caste information. Next, we'll go to the communication address. So communication, here you fill out your complete address here, then district, state, pin code, you have to fill it up. And if your communication address and permanent address is the same, then if you click on this button, this will replicate here. Okay. Next, we'll go to the school of study information. Here, if a candidate has studied 6th standard to 12th standard in Tamil Nadu, you can click on yes. There is no relevance for this. You can this is just they're collecting information here, and here you can fill the year of passing, name of the school, school type, district and state. You can fill this information, and next we will go to the, so in NEET UG details, your roll number, application number, NEET scorecard, and number of attempts in NEET UG exam. All this data is collected. And here, this one, NEET UG exam return place, and the number of attempts is of no consequence. It is not very important here. Just fill it up with your data. And have you undergone any coaching for NEET UG exam? If you've gone coaching, click on yes. This is again not very important. And next we'll come to the academic information. In academic information, there is qualifying examination, name of the examination board, undergoing or completed. So if you're a candidate who's already studying some other degree, you can fill this information. And here, if you select any board other than CBSE, Tamil Nadu State Board, or ISCE, then what will happen is you will have to produce an equivalent certificate. Then qualifying examination, study place where you studied, you can fill that information. Then group code information, qualified year information, and the register number is asked. So here you can see that the return place, there is a drop down, you can fill this information, and number of attempts, this is how it looks, first attempt, second attempt, third attempt. And here we also have the qualifying examination, this information that you can fill up. So in under qualifying examination, there is CBSE, like I said, CBSE, ISCE, and other exam centers are there, and exam types are there, and the qualification course. So if you're studying some course, you can, one of these courses, you can select this, and number of attempts in the 12th standard. So if you have passed all the subjects in the first attempt, second attempt, this is again not important. Even if you have passed in the second attempt, they will take up your application. Okay. So next is the marks obtained. So under marks obtained, you have to select your subjects. There is max. You can max can be selected, but biology is the must. And instead of biology, if you have completed botany, zoology, that is also fine. And your register number has to be filled up, month, year, maximum mark. So either 100 or 150 or 200, that has to be filled up, and obtained mark has to be filled up. Next, we will go to the additional information. Under additional information, mother tongue, medium of instruction. Mother tongue is your mother's native language, and medium of instruction is a school. In your school was a medium of instruction in English or Tamil or some other language. And parents' occupation. So parents' occupation also you can fill up. Annual income of parent. This is applicable for fee concession, but this applies in government quota. But they have still asked this information, so you can fill it up. And native, so here we see the languages, and medium of instruction is visible, and parents' occupation is there, and income is there. Next, we look at the civic native area. So your native area, what type of place is that? Is it a corporation, municipality, etc.? And next is your school area, school civic area. Is it a corporation, municipality, etc.? This is not very important. This is again just for collecting information. And your native district is also there. So click and you have given, if you have given it as Tamil Nadu, your native district will show up here. Okay. And then first graduate tuition fee concession. If it's applicable for you, you can click yes. And brother, sister avail first graduate concession. That also can be filled. And if you're applying for NRI quota, then you have to select yes. Okay. So if you want NRI seats in Tamil Nadu, then definitely you have to select this option. And you have to also submit a proof when filling the application. This is the refund bank details. So in Tamil Nadu, you will be submitting a security deposit. After the security deposit is submitted, the counseling will happen. So in two scenarios, if you are not allotted any seat in the counseling, the complete counseling, then the amount will be refunded. Or if there is no forfeiture of the security deposit and you have also joined the seat and taken admission, then also the security deposit will be refunded to you. In that case, the refund will happen in the bank account that you have given. The bank name is given and the IFSC code you have to enter, bank account number you will have to enter, and re-enter the account number here. And all this information can be found in the bank passbook. So take your bank passbook, get the IFSC number, bank name, bank account number, everything will be there. Even the holder's name will be there. After filling this information, get the OTP. You will get an OTP on your mobile phone, and get the OTP, and you will be able to proceed to the next step. So next step is the document upload stage, where you are uploading the photo and signature. Okay, so photo and signature, whatever photo you have filled in the NEET exam, fill that up. Okay, so the photo, you take the photo and get it between 50 KB to 100 KB, and you can fill it here. Okay, click on the select button and your photo will appear here. Same for the postcard size photo, get it between 100 KB to 300 KB. So if you're finding difficulty with this, there is a website called Compress JPEG. Okay, so compressjpeg.com is a website where you can go and compress your photo and you will be able to upload it. Okay, so next, click on this, you'll be able to upload the photo, select, and it will say 100% uploaded. Next, you will also have to upload the signature and your thumb impression. So your signature, again, it has to be 100 KB to 10 KB to 40 KB, and your left hand thumb impression. In NEET exam, you would have given the impression for all your fingers. Here only the left hand thumb impression is required. So you can get this. Also the size is mentioned here, 40 mm to 60 mm. This again, you can on your mobile phone itself, you will be able to crop the image, or you take the stamp pad, get a fresh thumb impression, take a photo, crop it, and go to compressjpeg.com, and you will be able to get this photo ready. Okay, so you can see that I've uploaded the signature and thumb impression. Next is the documents required. So depending on the form that you have filled, you have to submit the documents that are required. So if you are an NRI candidate, then you have to produce the NRI documents. All the documents have to be uploaded. Okay. Now we look at all the documents that are asked from the Tamil Nadu notice. So your admit card, admit card, scorecard is required. 10th mark sheet, 11th mark sheet, your 12th mark sheet is required. TC is required. Then proof of study from 6th standard to 12th standard. So in management quota, there is no 7.5 this thing, but they have asked to upload it. So if it is asking for you, then if you studied in Tamil Nadu, you will have to upload this certificate. And community certificate, if you have selected community, you will have to upload it. Nativity certificate, if applicable. This is not for the management quota. And document of parents need to be uploaded for the students who claim their native of Tamil. So if your parents, this is mostly for government quota, and if a candidate is applying for reservation, then they have to, so this part alone you leave it. This is for the government quota. We leave this part. Okay, and bona fide certificate, again, this is for government quota. Income certificate is also for government quota. Okay, so only from here you will have to submit these documents, these first 5 documents. Other documents is mostly related to the government quota counseling. We'll go to the next page. So here you have for management quota. So here management quota, you can see that there is linguistic minority certificate. So in management quota, there is linguistic minority seats are there, Telugu and Malayalam minority, and Christian minority certificate also has to be produced. This is for Christian minority self-financing colleges, and also for CMC. Okay, so CMC also is a Christian minority college. For this also you will have to produce the Christian minority certificate. And for candidates who are claiming management quota in NRI, so NRI status of the financial supporter issued by the Embassy of India. Okay, so Indian Embassy, which is there in their country, have to go to the Indian Embassy and get the NRI status of the financial supporter. So the whoever is sponsoring you has to be a NRI. Okay, so this certificate is important. Next, relationship certificate. So the candidate is there. So between the candidate and the sponsorer, what is their relation? This certificate is required, and the NRE bank passbook of the financial supporter. So NRE bank passport of the sponsorer. The sponsorer's NRI, the sponsorer's NRE, non-resident external bank account passbook has to be produced. Okay. Okay, so this is all the documents. So in case you have any doubts regarding this, you can drop a comment below or get in touch with us through our phone number that we have mentioned here. Okay, so moving on. So we have uploaded all this document here. It all says 100% completed. And then after you click on next, you will go to the application preview stage. Here you will have to tick these two boxes and proceed to the next stage if you want to, if the application is okay. But if there is some mistakes in the application and you want to change it, then you can click on the edit application and you will be able to make changes to the application. Okay, so this is the final verification. Here your name, NEET roll number, the important details are given here. You can check this information, and in case you want to edit it, click on edit. Otherwise, you can proceed to payment. Okay, so in the payment gateway, so here there are 5 payment gateways given here. Please note that these are payment gateways. These are not your bank. Okay, not your bank. So that means in HDFC, even if you have ICICI Bank, right? Even if you have a ICICI Bank account, you can still make payment in the HDFC payment gateway. Similarly also, if you, let's say you are a Bank of India, right? If you are a Bank of India account holder, you can make your payment in SBI. So it doesn't matter. Whatever bank account you have, these payment gateways will support everything. So there will be debit card payment, net banking option will be there, and also a few of the payment gateways will offer UPI option also. But if the amount is big, then you won't be able to make the payment through UPI, but net banking options will be available. Okay. And so after this payment is done, then that is the end of it. Your application will be processed and processed successfully, and you will be able to download the application form. Okay, so so we have completed the application process demo. Just to give you an idea about what we do, we are ZyNerd. We offer counseling packages at very low cost for candidates to make use of it, and we also provide a lot of information on allotments, closing ranks, institute information. We have exclusive videos on our portal, and all this only at 2499. So this is for all India and plus states. Okay, all India and complete state information. All India and 50 state counseling, 30 state counseling information is available only at 2499. And currently we also have a referral code offer. So if someone is referring you, you get a 500 rupees off. So if your friend is referring you, then you will be able to get a 500 rupees off. And so this is available for around, this will be available for 1999. Okay. So this package is only all India. So if you're a candidate who is interested in only all India, then you can go for this. But most of the candidates will be applying for all India plus states. So this is the package that we recommend for most of you. Okay. So if you have any doubts, if you're interested in this package, please give us a call. We will be, we can help you understand what we do and also how this features are going to be useful for you. All right. Okay. So we'll close this. Thank you for watching this video, and we will be subscribed to our YouTube channel, and we also have a Telegram group that you can join. You can go to the Telegram group, and whatever queries you have, you can post it there, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you, and we will see you in our future videos.